In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth.
Buck, what are you doing?
Why, I decided we should read the entire Bible to our friends.
But reading the entire Bible out loud could take weeks. What if we sang through the Bible instead?
Okay.
Join Buck Denver and friends as they sing through the Bible with 30 songs that will take you from Genesis to Revelation. Your family will love learning about God's Word in a way that sticks with you through sing-alongs like these.
Genesis begins it all.
I took a bus from Texas just to sing a song about Exodus. Leviticus is a bunch of rules. Numbers, the Israelites act like fools.
40 years later, Moses schooled them again.
Deuteronomy.
Learning important truths from the Bible has never been more fun for kids and families.
So you want to know the kings of Judah? Read Chronicles number 2. The bad, the best, and the lesser, till the time of Nebuchadnezzar.
Happy Psalms, sad Psalms, some Thanksgiving Psalms, praise Psalms, I'm sure glad I'm living Psalms.
These are the prophets, there ain't none finer. They're in 2 sections called the major and the minor.
Bring home Sing Through the Bible for your family on DVD or digital download, June 24th.